Guys, hello and namaste everyone. Guys, as usual, behalf of this full moon, we will be seeing a full moon spread. Let's see what this full moon wishes to convey via tarot. So, your first card will be what is going on present in your life or with you. Secondly, second card will be what you need to release. Your third card will be like what transformation will you be going through because of this full moon and divine's message behalf of all this. So let's start. Okay, so this is what is presently going on in your life. This is what I'm saying over here. You have a lot of experience, you are very intuitive, like your inner voice always guides you very beautifully. But now here I'm seeing some of the scenarios. First, like you also know what is good for you, what is bad for you. This is what I'm seeing. Like you know the pros and cons of each and everything. This is what I would say. Whatever you do in life, this is what I'm seeing over here. That's a great thing. uh, you have a lot of knowledge. Now this can be with respect to anything, uh, but you know what I'm sensing over here is for some of them you need to be aware. Fine, you have a lot of knowledge from whichever field you are also, but you need to be aware what is good for you and what is bad for you. You need to be alert about it. This is what I am feeling over here. You need to listen to your inner voice if you are trying to ignore it, because maybe this thing has a lot of benefits, shortcuts, but the ways are quite wrong also. This is what I'm sensing over here. So please do acknowledge it. Your second message, what you need to release. Wow, beautiful message. So, guys, I'm clearly seeing over here that you were confused, because actually, if to see this card, the original card, this tape is been, this blindfold has been was it put on her eyes, and literally she was feeling stuck. This lady was feeling stuck everywhere. Like this is what you need to release, that you need to come out of your own negative perceptions. Yes, these are your own negative thoughts and your perceptions. You need to come out of it. This is what I'm seeing, and only then you will see that there is a solution to come out of it. Okay, are you getting it, guys? So this is what you need to release, because if you're feeling stuck in something, then this is what has been said to you. This is your own perception. So please consider about it. This is what I would say. Like please acknowledge it. Somewhere you are only maybe sabotaging, you are into that comfort zone or limiting beliefs or so. Please get out of it. Only then you will find a solution. Let's see what transformation comes up for you. Oh my god, now the first message was this, and the third message totally opposite to it. So maybe I feel you will ignore listening to your intuition. This is what I'm feeling, your inner voice. I really don't know, like after coming out of your perception, whatever the third message that I said, you will stop ignoring your inner voice. See, guys, your inner voice, your gut feeling, your intuition is something which will never guide you wrong. Just listen one thing, okay? Secondly, it will never, you know, uh, let you to walk on some wrong path. This is what I will tell you over here. But here to gain something, where the first card itself is showing that this lady is thinking something about the pros and cons, this and that, everything which I said, that you need to be very, very much aware about the pros and cons and all everything. And I said maybe this particular thing has a shortcut, has more benefits and all, but the ways are quite wrong, and your intuition is guiding you about it. It is telling you about it. Don't choose this path. But maybe some of you will choose to ignore your intuition. This is what I am seeing over here. Because see, here clearly it is a full moon. It clearly says that yes, your intuition is very much strong and it is very much active, your inner voice basically, this is what I would say. But over here, can you see this moon over here, guys? It is not even a full moon. So obviously, like, you will ignore, this is what I'm seeing over here, because of this pentacle, what I'm seeing over here, that maybe for money thing, maybe that other thing, that other path will give you more money or so. This is what I am seeing over here. But with this moon presence over here, again and again, your gut feeling, your inner voice will keep on guiding you. Even though you are getting a lot of money, please do not, like, just see the pros and cons. Again, here also this thing says the same thing. So some of you are, I'm seeing, will, you know, close their eyes and go on practically instead of listening to your inner voice. So let's see what message comes from divine. So with this card, at first you will feel that yes, I'm gaining, I'm getting so much of benefits, advantage, this, that, everything. But divine is saying, if you do not listen to your inner voice, to your gut feeling, maybe divine is guiding you via your gut feeling and everything, via your inner voice. Your heart is telling you so. Ahead you will regret. See, you, I'm seeing you looking for some options, because there will be too much of chaos and mess, because you have choose the wrong path. Like, you are gaining everything, each and everything, but there will be a lot of mess in your life. So please, you know, better if you are coming across this reading, then obviously it is a message for you. So instead of doing something like this, why not listen to your guidance? Why not listen to your intuition? Why not listen to your gut feeling? Because later on you will regret, and I'm seeing maybe you're looking for some options or something because you're tired over there. So do consider it. This is what I would say, guys. Okay, I hope this reading has helped you in some or the other way, because literally this card is like, one card is literally telling me that your inner voice, your gut feeling is guiding you, and the transformation card seriously says that you will stop looking into it, like, after looking to the perception. Like, this is a swords card. So swords is related to lot, related to your thoughts and all. So if you will think from your brain, obviously you will stop listening to your inner voice, because brain is quite logical, right? So this is what I'm seeing, you're taking logical actions over here. So guys, I really hope this reading has helped you in some or the other way, and if you're really going through such a situation, I guess this was a message for you, that for some benefit, some advantage, don't ignore your inner voice, because it is not guiding you wrong. Okay, so if this reading has really helped you, then please let me know in the comments, put a like on it. It will be of great use for me. Thank you.